Welcome to General Knowledge Quiz, Tips and Tricks channel. Let's start with the quiz that will help you gain knowledge. Let's see if you answer all correct, then you are a genius. Comment below and let us know how many answers you got it right. Question 1. How many days does Mercury take to revolve around the Sun? Option 1. 365 days. Option 2. 224 days. Option 3. 108 days. Or, Option 4. 88 days. The correct answer is Option 4, 88 days. Next question. Question 2. Who is the fastest 1000-meter runner? Here are your options. Option 1, Noah Jani. Option 2, Usain Bolt. Option 3, Wade van Niekerk. Or, Option 4, David Rudisha. The correct answer is Option 1, Noah Jani. Next question. Question 3. Which is the only mammal on Earth that can fly? And the options are: Option 1, peacock. Option 2, bearded vulture. Option 3, Andean condor. Or, Option 4, bat. And the answer is Option 4, bat. Next question. Question 4. Who is the father of chemistry? Here are your options. Option 1, Antoine François de Fourcroy. Option 2, William Nicholson. Option 3, Antoine Laurent Lavoisier. Or, Option 4, Joseph Priestley. The correct answer is Option 3, Antoine Laurent Lavoisier. Next question. Question 5. What is the theme of Earth Day 2020? And the options are: Option 1, End plastic pollution. Option 2, Climate action. Option 3, Rhyming with nature. Or, Option 4, Save our species. The correct answer is Option 2, Climate action. Next question. Question 6. Which is the largest coal field in India? Here are your options. Option 1, Jharkhand. Option 2, Orissa. Option 3, Karnataka. Or, Option 4, Bihar. The correct answer is Option 1, Jharkhand. Next question. Question 7. Which planet is the coldest in our solar system? And the options are: Option 1, Mercury. Option 2, Jupiter. Option 3, Saturn. Or, Option 4, Neptune. And the answer is Option 4, Neptune. Because of the distance from the Sun, Neptune, is the coldest planet in our solar system. Next question. Question 8. What was the very first coin made of? Here are your options. Option 1, brass. Option 2, copper. Option 3, electrum. Or, option 4, iron. The correct answer is option 3, electrum. Next question. Question 9. How many time zones are there in Russia? And the options are option 1, 2. Option 2, 4. Option 3, 8. Or, option 4, 11. And the answer is option 4, 11. Next question. Question 10. Where is the United Nations headquarters? Here are your options. Option 1, Munich, Germany. Option 2, New York, America. Option 3, Geneva, Switzerland. Or, option 4, Paris, France. The correct answer is option 2, New York, America. Next question. Question 11. Which is the largest river island in Asia? And the options are option 1, Majuli. Option 2, Nongpnam River Island. Option 3, Banana Island. Or, option 4, Peacock Island. And the answer is option 1, Majuli. Next question. Question 12. The first Earth Day celebrations took place in. Here are your options. Option 1, India. Option 2, Russia. Option 3, England. Or, option 4, United States of America. The correct answer is option 4, United States of America. Next question. Question 13. Which is the largest ocean in the world? And the options are option 1, Arctic Ocean. Option 2, Indian Ocean. Option 3, Pacific Ocean. Or, option 4, Atlantic Ocean. And the answer is option 3, Pacific Ocean. Next question. Question 14. Who made the first computer? Here are your options. Option 1, Max Newman. Option 2, Charles Babbage. Option 3, Tom Kilburn. Or, option 4, Jeffrey W.A. Dummer. The correct answer is option 2, Charles Babbage. Next question. Question 15. Who won the Men's US Open 2019? And the options are option 1, Novak Djokovic. Option 2, Roger Federer. Option 3, Daniil Medvedev. Or, Option 4, Rafael Nadal. And the answer is, Option 4, Rafael Nadal. Thanks for watching our channel. We will bring more educational videos soon, so please subscribe to our channel for notifications and share with your family and friends.